we manufacture everything to do with receiving and transmitting back to a satellite information for broadcasters and data providers around the world. And we're one of 7 people playing in that space. What we've been doing over the last few years is consolidating this industry and buying businesses. And then we've been spending money and turning those businesses around. And I think you'll see from our results, we have good evidence of having done that over the last couple of years. But also there's been a new emerging technology in our industry called digital channel stacking, as nearly all of our broadcaster customers wanted new equipment at exactly the same time. So our R&D and development costs and our stock costs, effectively, the amount of money we've had to put things in stock, all of the components that we're using in the new equipment has gone up. But that's coming to an end. Most of our broadcasters are now starting to use the new equipment, and we're starting to sell the stock we've got and turn that back into cash. So our cash position will improve over this next year, basically by consolidation. So the Israeli facility was using a third-party subcontractor for manufacturing. It's using the same factory in Shanghai, so that's really helped those guys. But we've also, we've allowed them to use our distribution channels and our stocking channels and our sales channels throughout the rest of the world. So that's allowed them to get their product out into a wider market. And we closed the Shenzhen factory. The business that perhaps wasn't attractive to us, we let go, and the business that was attractive to us, we put into our other plant, which brought down the overhead recovery within that plant and made it more profitable. We made good profit in China this year in that plant, well in excess of what we've done in previous years. We continue to service the customers that we want to work with, and it's a much more efficient plant.